Ka Meghalaya Athletics Association, Meghalaya State Olympic Association haringkat ka jingai trailang bat ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs kalapelong ya ka jingmare Sohra International Half Marathon 8,000 menda ka sengi ka arpui terik unopra. Ya ka ne ka jingai kop lapya hakikadan ya kun jongkaron for fun 5K kentei bachinrang, Meghalaya PRC kentei bachinrang, Elite kentei bachinrang, 10K kintay ba sinrang bat habakin kulumlang baro kidan hadu nyos pa prapulai ngut kinong mare kiblawan banya simbenta hakani kajinge ko mare haki kedan beper nakalang jong kajala bat na syabari ru kumjo ya kani kajinge ko mare marathon kebelas dang nadu nasionong light so plea bat mare terter bantunkut syadu maus mai no snithiang viewpoint kablalong baro hadu 8 kilometer tam.
And this international marathon, which is conducted on the Golden Jubilee celebrations of statehood, this is something very important for us. And I'm sure, I was talking to Dr. Vijay, I think if this kind of a marathon can become an annual event, that would actually make people to really look for coming and participating. So I think more and more participation would happen. I think this is so important. As a health secretary, I would like to tell you there is nothing better than doing this, because When we talk about health, people only talk about medicine, but there is much more before medicine. That is the preventive health. I think that happens only if young people and everyone, not only young people, young and old and everyone, start participating in this kind of an exercises. Especially marathon is something. It's like a meditation. It provides both physical health as well as mental health, which is also very very important. I'm sure this is a very good initiative taken up by the sports and youth department, and I really congratulate each one of you for participating in this, and I'm sure this will also kickstart a kind of a movement in the state, not only in the state, maybe in the country, for more and more people participating and acting on this kind of a very positive preventive health activities. So
Smarless Marwin and bib number 515 Trishina and bib number
is 15,000. Let's clap for him. Tangin thapti lang ken kini kila mare bat kila yo pisa tingin thapti nam ta ki. And the first place we have Badonsing Tham. Congratulations Badon. Winning a cash prize of rupees 30,000. And we have a big round of applause once again tangin thapti kini rangba kijongi sun post nam shaneng kidon. Congratulations.
is Martinez. She will be receiving a cash prize of rupees 10,000. Second place Darisha, receiving a cash prize of 15,000. And the winner goes to Kintimon Marwin, receiving a cash prize of 30,000. Please give them a big hand.
Winning a cash of 10,000. Second place, Anil Guram, winning a cash of 15,000. Bib number 314. And the champion in the PRC Meghalaya Men 21 category, first Sohra International Half Marathon, we have Skemlang Suba. Let's give them a big round of applause. So just quickly to call
Please give her a big hand once again. 50,000 rupees. Arpita Saini. Second place, receiving a cash prize of 1 lakh. Christina Kambua. And to the winners, ladies and gentlemen, please give her a big hand. Richa Baburaya.
It's 21 kilometers, so we cannot run like how they run. So let's cheer for them. Congratulations to all the runners.
Third place, Chariot receiving a cash prize of 50,000. Second place, Titra Paul receiving a cash prize of 1 lakh. And the winner, Adisu Bekelu, cash prize of 1 lakh 50.
Kalong kasngi kapastunat berkalong kafas international marathon jong Sohra.
Hello, son,
Te-
son, where are you?
Aku boleh sibun kenya ka Sohra half marathon bakal pelong ya kani kajing mare marathon. Tenga aku mibe ilong kami jong ka sanpo snem sajrong macam bentai ya kani ka 10 kilometer. Te hakan kajing mare jong ngamenta ngala long baningkong naki sanpo snem sajrong jong ki kentai.
Tidak pernah petai hindi tinggi kumno fipoi long bun ki kita je hari sanpo kim jupai mare syam rekai berpelong fi ban haru fin lang ban compete kan lo kumno fi pin krek la dia na
Kajipang krek tengam dadan tan man kadai kalong kami ngabun kampalat haying te kawai kalong kajing stunat jong ahi bat kawai ru kalong kajing aim sim na yeng na du ipa na du pakikun baro ki aim sim yang kum tanga yo ya kajing job hakan kasngi
long kari smart balik mare step pertukrene kumno ne kari
kajing mana step ngam smart na mat walai ngalong kalong kami bun kam hapan biang ki kun ki chayeng te habang adon kini ki jing mare kini ki kini ki kayak gini Habadon kani kajing marek kani jing lak kai kum ni te ngasai li protesi katukan ni sngi rim di ong man ka sngi de man katayom de man kunai habayo yo ban lai marek kum ni te ngasai li protesi si tayo ei
Mana khat patari ngadang mare apo Kolkata namta kata ta steel Kolkata 25k naka sanpho kategori 50 to 55 te nga poi apo ga 4% sikenta so prime minute te nga hone kene ka timing bang apoi alis ba kinong mare gababun ba gidi international bon sabar banyakhon banyasimata para kaju ka kategori bayu te hangni po Sohra ru kalong ka jaka mare jaka kalong ka pasutanat ba mar kini ki environment kini ki kilom kiwa ka surok lu kalong ka ba sutanat ba kalong ka ba ban mare marathon kawai ru ngadai unong mare jong ka Meghalaya police nga simbenta bun jong ka All India police kim cross country te ngadang mare makane po jong ka yu tanga poi ka koi ka gold medal ba silver namta first service nga posting jongaru kadai hangni nga trade po first service te kani kadai training ru jongahi te nga sutanat namta bangayo ban klik ikani ka timing ru live 1 minute atau second kadai ka best timing jonga hangni po Sohra ru ba 10k te ngai tanat gi brio Sohra ru baki ya thapti ya support gibun ya support lor bro khoi hapa bingi mare kani ka peni ka burom ya ke jela Meghalaya pada kari India ru khamtam kini international ki bawan sabar bulan kenang pura bulan ki i bagi beriu ki i bagi marathon ki support te kani kali kawai ka message ka best tam ka bayu te kawai ngaku aban ai ka marathon kan promote su bun i kategori babun ba kanlong kum ka jingilong perlok baru ki bajob omdai tanga marwai bajob bat kitu benkong ba arbalain lai baru kai besim mentah ni kini kinong job nomor badai ngidai kita ki finisher bat ngi klik la ka jong ka best timing to khui sibun ni fi ba